Hello, good morning students. Children, we are going to do preposition of time. We are going to do how we use different prepositions like in, on, at to denote some time. As you know, preposition are the words that tell you the relationship between the two things or two people or two places. We are going to take up some words and you see that how different words are used for to denote some time. Okay, tell you the specific time or the period of time. Like last time we discussed, I hope you have seen the module that in which we discussed that when we are talking about the date, we use on. Like I say, I will come to your house on 15th of September, or there is a marriage in my family on 20th of October. My birthday is on 17th of June. So in this way, when we are talking about dates, we use the preposition on. When we are talking about the days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we also use on. Like I will come to your house on Sunday, or my grandparents are coming to our house on Monday, or we are going to have a party in a hotel on Saturday. So when we are talking about the days and dates, we use preposition on. Coming to the months, January, February, March, April. In months we use in. Children, remember these things, they are very important. When we are talking about months, it is in. I will go to New Delhi in the month of February, or my brother has gone to USA in January. So in this way, when we are talking about the months, we use the preposition in. For the years, when we are talking about years, we also use in preposition. Preposition in is used for years. Like I was born in 2003, or the school, I started my school in the year 2010, or this house was built in the year 2014. In this way, now coming to the next one, which we are going to discuss now, is specific time. When we are talking about the specific time, we use at. You will say, ma'am, just now you showed me a sentence where you use it for preposition of place. Yes, children. At can be used for preposition of place as well as time. Even in and on also are used for preposition of time and place. So you have to understand when it is showing the time, when it is denotes the time, or it is talking about the specific time or time period, then it is preposition of time. When it is showing you that where the thing is located or where the people are located, then it is preposition of place. So when we are talking about the specific time, we use at. Like I get up at 7 o'clock. Specifically on that, at that time only I wake up. I come to school at 8 o'clock, or I finish my lunch at 12 o'clock, or I go to play at 5 o'clock. So the specific time then you use at. Or my online classes will start at 9 o'clock. Specifically that time. Okay, so then specific time period we use at. Coming to the next one is time period. When it is not specific, it is a period of time, then it is in. Like the meeting will start in 10 minutes. Means it can start in 10 minutes, means within 10-minute period time, any time it can start. It can start at 9 minutes left, or 5 minutes left, or 4 minutes left, like this. It's a period of time. It's not specifically that the meeting will start at 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. or the meeting will start at 10:05 a.m. It can be specific. Or 10:15. Our class, our English class will start at 11:45 a.m. Okay, so it is specific. But here when we are talking about a period of time, it is in. Like my friends will be here in an hour, means within an hour they can come anytime. So it's a period of time. I have to finish this project, means when I am talking about specific, I will use at, refers for talking about a period of time in 3 days. So I have to finish my project in 3 days, means within 3 days I have got the time, I have to finish it. Okay, so this is the time period, when we have a period of time. And when we are talking about the seasons, you all know seasons, summer, winter, monsoon, you have other season like spring and autumn, then you use in. I will go for picnic in winter season I will go. I like to eat mangoes in summer. I like to get wet in rain in monsoon. So when we are talking about the seasons, the flowers bloom in spring. So season in, when we are talking about the specific time, it is at, and when we are talking about the time period, it is in. So this is all about the preposition of time, some of the preposition of time. There are many others which we will be discussing in the coming modules. Thank you, children.